Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know how to draw Ganesha with the help of alphabet, this video is for you. We have also covered videos on how to draw Ganesha with the help of letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. If you have not watched the video, the link is given in the description box. Do check it out. We are also providing certificate for the series of Ganesha with alphabet A to Z. On the certificate, practice 8 and share your practice to the mentioned number given in the description box. The material required for this are basic stationery and colorful pen. As I always suggest, draw the base with the help of pencil so that if you do any mistake, you can correct it. Now with the help of brushstroke eyeliner, we'll highlight it. If you don't have brushstroke eyeliner, you can use normal black gel pen. For few seconds so that your gel pen work will dry out. Then we will erase the pencil work with the help of eraser. Help of green color pen will highlight some part of Ganesha. You can use any color pen. Hoping you guys have learned something new today. If you have liked this video, do hit the like button and comment your feedback in the comment box. If you don't want to miss our upcoming video that is on how to draw Ganesha with alphabet V, then subscribe the channel so that you will not miss it. Also press the bell icon button so that you will not miss our future updates. Thanks for watching the full video.